So once again, pouring out. It started to kind of remind me of the storm in July, never-ending one. So right now it's not only pouring, now the strong winds. I can barely even see it. It's raining that hard. We try to get a view from over here. See if that'll do any good. Oh my God. Yeah, so I try to look out over there and got completely drenched. Just in those couple seconds. My hand got completely drenched. Yeah, I'm gonna try to flick on the light. Get a better shot. I'd say now we had half an inch, maybe close to an inch. Yeah, there you can just see how bad it's doing. And I think it may have just got worse. Yeah, that noise you're hearing is all the rain. I guess they got weird. I just figured that out. I knew it was going to rain hard, but I didn't think this was going to happen. I wouldn't be surprised if it just started raining like this within the next 15, 20 minutes or so. Doesn't. And then the backyard just floods again. We did several days over the summer, almost every day when it rained. And I think think the storm's starting to light up now. Again. I'll probably go out tomorrow, go back there and see how the damage is caused. Couldn't have done that much. Yeah, I'll probably do it like that. Yeah, the storm definitely lit up by now. Alright, I guess I'll have a video pretty soon. There isn't much else to talk about with the storm because it's starting to light up now. And my phone's starting to get wet. So yeah, I guess that's it for the video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.